You can't turn back the hands of time, but you can age more gracefully. Today we are at Wow Aesthetics and Laser in Davenport to show you how their non-surgical treatments can give you a facelift without going under the knife. And joining us today is Dr. Aman, who is triple board certified with advanced training in skin and hair treatments and founder of Wow Aesthetics and Laser, which is also this segment's sponsor. Dr. Kaur, thank you so much for having us here. What a beautiful space that you have here as well. It is just beautiful.
Thank you.
So let's talk about Wow Aesthetics and Laser and all that you offer. Give us some background.
We are a new medical spa in Quad Cities with a team of specialists providing a range of medical services for skin, hair, and body. We pride ourselves in the leading cutting-edge technologies that we have, providing excellent results to our patients and with no downtime. We have researched extensively in these devices, and they are safe, they are credible. So if you're looking for treatment options which are safe, credible, and effective, you don't have to travel anywhere now. We in Quad Cities have it for you.
Yeah, because a lot of folks would travel out of the Quad Cities, but it's right here in our hometown.
It's right here, yes.
And so talk to us about when you opened. You've been open for a few months, and where people can find you. Where exactly are you located?
So we opened our doors in April of this year, and we are located in Davenport off the Utica Ridge, next to Trinity Bettendorf Hospital.
Okay, and you guys, you have the most advanced technologies to help skin look better and also to help with hair loss. So talk to us about how this works for folks who might not understand.
Yeah, so we are the only one and the first med spa in Quad Cities who have complete hair restoration program, which involves detailed nutritional hormonal assessment, medical treatment, state-of-the-art technologies that are found nowhere nearby but the big metropolitan areas. And we are also very excited to introduce non-surgical facelift for the first time to Quad Cities, which uses groundbreaking technology with no pain, no downtime, and they are very safe and effective.
So let's talk a little bit about MPhase and what kind of results people will see with this procedure.
So MPhase is an FDA-approved device which uses electromagnetic waves which stimulates the elevator muscles of the face, tones it, and uplifts the structure of the face. And along with that, it also uses radio frequency, which heats the tissue and boosts the elastin and collagen. Men in particular love this treatment because they want to look young, but they don't want pain and needles. So this is the beauty of MPhase, that you can get the treatment and get back to work with no downtime. It's completely non-invasive, no pain, no needles, no downtime, no bruising, and people see amazing and natural results, and they look decades younger.
And so who do you recommend get this treatment? You say a lot of men are interested in it.
Yeah. Anyone who's seeing the age changes. Now, as we age, we have all heard that there is a loss of collagen and elastin, but we don't understand that there is also a lot of muscle breakdown that occurs, which causes sagging of the face, jowling, the prominent nasolabial folds. So anyone who sees the skin changes, and any person in actually 40s, and sometimes with stress and lifestyle changes, we even see age changes in late 30s. But anytime you see a wrinkle or you see age changes that you don't like, this can be treated non-surgically.
Good news. Good news. I love to hear that. Another procedure included in the non-surgical facelift is the Exion procedure. Is that correct? So talk to us a little bit about this and the results that people will see with this treatment. How, what's involved with all of this?
So for non-surgical facelift, we combine MPhase with Exion. So Exion uses superior ultrasonic technology, which boosts the hyaluronic acid naturally by 220 20%. And along with that, we also use RF microneedling that takes care of the skin texture. So as you can see that we take care of all the layers of the face, starting from the facial structures, muscles, connective tissue, hyaluronic acid, collagen, elastin, and the skin. So that gives complete transformational look.
Yeah, you guys offer so many different types of services, but a lot of women, they struggle with Incognitus. So you have something that could help women with that as well. So tell us about that.
Absolutely. 25 million Americans, they suffer from some form of urinary incontinence. Most of them, they are very hesitant to talk about it. Now, this is an Amsela FDA-approved treatment which gives supramaximal contractions to the pelvic floor muscles and causes pelvic floor strengthening. It gives 10,000 to 12,000 Kegels in 28 minutes of the treatment.
Wow.
And produces 95% of the patient satisfaction rate. And this is not just for women. So any person, any man or woman with urinary incontinence, any male patient who has erectile dysfunction, post-prostate surgery, after childbirth, all what it does is pelvic floor strengthening. No pain, no downtime, no surgeries.
So what do you say to someone who maybe isn't sure about a procedure, or maybe if it's the right treatment for them? Should they call, ask questions, schedule an appointment? What's the process?
Absolutely, they should call WOW and schedule an appointment with me or one of my trained staff members. Consultations are free, and each person has individual problems. So the treatments also we like to customize.
And you also have a big WOW Fall Makeover coming up, event coming up. Give us the details on that.
Well, we are very excited to have this big WOW Fall event on October 16th, where we will have live demos, we will have refreshments, drinks, giveaway prizes, and also exciting discounts up to 30%.
And so do they need to RSVP for this?
Absolutely. It's
Okay.
based on RSVP because there are very limited spots available.
Well, Dr. Kaur, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
All right, again, this segment was sponsored by WOW Aesthetics and Laser. And for more information, go to wow-aesthetics.com. We'll also have all those details posted on ourquadcities.com.